Jai Gurudev everyone. How Astroloke is different and unique than other institutes. Astroloke is like a breath of fresh air in a world where education has become a commercial business and not a sacred duty. The nature of any organization is defined by who is at the helm of its affairs, and here it is Alok sir. I have no words to describe the depth of his knowledge, but what attracts students to him is his simplicity and his friendliness, the way of teaching. He just loves to teach. He is not driven by commercial factors. This institute adopts a very systematic, step by step approach to learning. And there is discipline in terms of the delivery of lectures, uploading of the recorded lectures on the LMS, distribution of PPTs, study material, holding interim tests, etc. Not only this, for any problem a student faces, there is a dedicated person at the institute whom he can approach and get it resolved. I think this is the only institute which even teaches how to use softwares, astrology softwares like Jagannath Hora or Parashara Light, and they sometimes even help in bulk buying so that the students benefit from it. Why I love this institute the most, apart from of course Alok sir, is that it has a dedicated army of volunteers who are none other than the past students who willingly help and support the fresh batch of students, and periodically they hold mentoring sessions in smaller batches where all the questions and queries of the students they try to resolve. And in spite of this, Alok sir almost in every lecture patiently answers queries of the students. Not only this, for proficiency in any occult sciences, a base of spirituality is required. So, Alok sir even separately teaches meditation to his students. So, he focuses on the overall development of the student and not just teaching what is in the curriculum and going by that. The list is endless, but most importantly, Astroloke is truly run in the form of a Gurukul in modern times, where not only Jyotish is taught, but it also imparts and impacts the overall character of the student, and virtues like humility, self respect, discipline, integrity, ethics, etc. They get reinforced as a byproduct. So I am truly blessed to be associated with Astroloke, and I would recommend each and every student to be associated with it and enjoy this wonderful journey. Thank you.